What's going on, guys? Chef Nate here with a quick kitchen tips video. Today I'm going to show you how to dice a bell pepper. I've seen a lot of different videos on how to dice bell peppers, but this is my favorite method. So you're going to start out, put the bell pepper down, use your knife, cut the top off. Always keeping your fingers curled. Flip to the other side, cut the bottom off, and then you're just going to go right along, taking off all the gills, taking off all the white. Don't need that, don't need that. Pop out the stem. Now look what we're left with. Now you're just going to slice these into nice uniform pieces. Line back up and chop the other way. Look how nice and uniform that is. But you can still utilize the tops and the bottom the same way. Missed a piece. By dicing everything into nice uniform pieces, you're going to ensure everything cooks properly and it's going to look great. Thanks a lot and have a great day.